पद्मोद्भवां पद्ममुखीं पद्मनाभप्रियां रमां पद्ममालाधरां देवीं पद्मिनीं पद्मगन्धिनीं पद्म उद्भवां पद्मोद्भवां is a compound word bhas mahapranah padmamukhim khas mahapranah this is also a compound word padmanabhapriyam is a compound word bhas mahapranah ramam padmamaladharam is a compound word dhas mahapranah devim padmamaladharam ends in anuswara followed by the so it becomes padmamaladharan devim because of sandhi padminim padmagandhinim is a compound word the gandha dhas mahapranah padmodbhavam padmamukhim padmanabhapriyam ramam padmamaladharan devim padminim padmagandhinim punyagandham suprasannam prasadabhimukhim prabham namami chandravadanam chandran chandrasahodarim punyagandham is a compound word dha is mahapranah suprasannam is a compound word prasadabhimukhim is a compound word bhas mahapranah and mukhi kha is also mahapranah prabham bhas mahapranah namami chandravadanam is a compound word chandram chandravadanam ends in anuswara followed by cha so it becomes chandravadanam chandram because of sandhi chandrasahodarim is a compound word chandram ends in anuswara followed by cha so it becomes chandran chandrasahodarim because of sandhi punyagandham suprasannam prasadabhimukhim prabham namami chandravadanam chandran chandrasahodarim chaturbhujan chandrarupam indiram indushitalam आह्लादजननीं पुष्टिं शिवां शिवकरीं सतीं चतुर्भुजां is a compound word bhas mahapranah chandrarupam is a compound word chaturbhujam ends in anuswara followed by cha so it becomes chaturbhujan chandrarupam anuswara changes to nya which is the nasal of the cha varga indiram chandrarupam indiram Indushitalam is a compound word. Indiram Indushitalam. Ahlada Jananim is a compound word. Pushtim, Shivam, Shivakarim is a compound word. Satim. Chaturbhujan Chandrarupam Indiram Indushitalam. Ahlada Jananim Pushtim Shivam Shivakarim Satim. Vimalam Vishwajananiim Tushtin Daridryanashiniim Preetipushkarineem Shantam Shuklamalyambaram Shriyam Vimalam Vishwajananiim is a compound word. Vimalam ends in anuswara followed by va so it becomes Vimalam Vishwajananiim because of sandhi. Tushtim Vishwajananiim ends in anuswara followed by ta so it becomes Vishwajananiim Tushtim because of sandhi. Daridryanashiniim is a compound word. Tushtim ends in anuswara followed by the so it becomes Tushtin Daridryanashiniim because of sandhi. Preetipushkarineem is a compound word. Shantam Shuklamalyambaram is a compound word. Shriyam Vimalam Vishwajananiim Tushtin Daridryanashiniim Preetipushkarineem Shantam Shuklamalyambaram Shriyam Bhaskarim Bilvanilayam Vararoham Yashaswineem Vasundharam Harineem Hemamalineem Bhaskarim Bhas Mahapranah this is a compound word. Bilvanilayam is a compound word. Vararoham is a compound word. Bilvanilayam ends in anuswara followed by va so it becomes Bilvanilayam Vararoham because of sandhi. Yashaswinim. Vararoham ends in Anuswara followed by Ya. So it becomes Vararohai Yashaswinim. Anuswara changes to the nasal of Ya. Vasundharam is a compound word. Dha is Mahapranah. Udara Angam. Udarangam is a compound word. Vasundharam Udarangam. Harinim Hemamalinim is a compound word. Bhaskarim Bilvanilayam Vararoham Yashaswinim Vasundharam Udarangam Harinim Hemamalinim.